In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to corner clip in Roblox. Let's get started. First, head into the game or area where you want to use corner clipping. Look for a solid corner. Usually two walls or blocks meeting at an edge. Walk your character right up to that corner and line yourself up with it. Now turn your camera so it's facing the front of your character while you are standing in the corner. You want to be looking straight at your avatar pressed against the corner. Once you are in position, simply press Shift. If you're lined up correctly, your character will glitch through the wall and appear on the other side. That's it. You have successfully corner clipped. If you want to do it again, just move to another corner and repeat the same steps. Stand at the edge, adjust your camera and hit Shift. It works the same way every time. And that's how easy it is to corner clip in Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.